Hey everybody, Gage Arnold down here in Corydon, Indiana with another video this week of this 2018 Ford Explorer XLT. So we're going to be doing a little walk around. As you can see, I'm going to take it on a short test drive just right back to the dealership. Then I've chosen 4 different features that I'd like to go over with you on this specific vehicle. So number 1, you can see right off the bat, is the black wheels. That comes with the sports appearance package. So it really makes that car pop, especially with that white platinum paint. So let's check out the inside now. Alright. Feature number 2 that I wanted you to see are these backup cameras. Now, you may be familiar with them in previous vehicles and whatnot, but what I really like about these is when you turn the wheel like you see I'm doing, it gives you these guides and shows you exactly where the edge of your vehicle is going to be. Makes it real easy, and I'll try to demonstrate real quick. Didn't really park in a good spot to do that, but here I'll back on up and show you kind of how this works. So let's go for that spot right there. There you go, getting there, straighten them on up. There you go. We might be a little bit on that line over there, but that's not too bad, just to show you how it works. And make it pretty easy on us though. Just a simple backing up spot into a parking spot like this. You don't even really need your side view mirrors because this is just so convenient. But okay, let's get on the road and I'll show you my other 2 things, or my other 2 features that I wanted to go over with you. Alright, so feature number 3. It's a little more of a simple one. It's these heated seats and also a heated steering wheel. So you can see right here on your screen, this is the climate control screen. So click that button right there and that turns on your heated steering wheel. I don't want that on right now, so I'm going to turn it off. And then you see here on your heated seats option, you have 3 different settings: the high, medium, and low. And then of course that's on both sides, driver's and passenger side. So I don't think I need to elaborate too much on that. I think we all know why we love heated seats, right? But okay, so feature number 4 is just all these buttons right here on your steering wheel. So it makes it super convenient just driving down the road to have all these buttons just right here, literally right at your fingertips. So of course you have your cruise control settings here, and then this pad on my left thumb here, that controls your screen right up front to the left in front of you. See, I'll turn here. Alright, so then you see the pad on the right here. It's pretty much the exact same as this one. It just controls the screen on the right up here. And then these buttons right here, of course you have your volume controls, turn up and down your volume. And then this one is my personal favorite. This one right here, I don't know how well you can see that, but that's your hands-free button. And so pretty much what that means, so say you're wanting to call someone, say call your mom or whatever, you could literally just press that button. It'll say something along the lines of please say a command, and then you literally just say call mom or call dad. So you just say it exactly how it's programmed into your phone, and it'll call them. It's that simple. So then also something you can do, say you wanted to play music from your phone, all you would do is press this button.
Please say a command.
Bluetooth audio.
Sorry,
and
no.
That's all you do. So I canceled it out because I don't have my phone connected or anything like that. But that's all you do. Play Bluetooth audio, and then whatever app that you got on your phone that you like to play your music through, you just click it, and it goes all through Bluetooth. So super convenient. Now I'm going to show you this backup camera one more time, just to back into this spot. Get right next to this pole. And then you're going to hear the sensors that this has too. So you can see that's the green, we're into the orange now. And when you get into the red, it's really loud, so I'm going to turn that off. Alright. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little test drive and some features that I thought you might enjoy. So guys, if this is interesting to you whatsoever, you might want to come in and look at it. Be sure to ask for me. My name is Gage Arnold, right here in Heritage Ford in Corydon, Indiana. So come on in and say hi to us. Thank you. Bye-bye.